We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making a delicious sweet potato pie, y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all just how simple it can be made. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here in my large pot I have added maybe like a half of a pot of water, and I'm adding my sweet potatoes to it. I'm going to let these begin to boil. I have them on like a high heat, but I'm going to reduce the heat as soon as they start boiling to maybe like a medium high heat. Okay, here they have begun to boil, but I'm going to turn this heat down some to, like I said, a medium heat, and I'm going to add my lid, and this what helps make your potatoes cook faster by adding a lid. I'm going to add the lid and let it cook for 1 hour, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, I am back, and I have let these cook for 1 hour, and I'm going to check them. And as you can see, the fork is going down through them very easily, and that makes you're sure that the potatoes are ready. So as y'all can see, the fork is going through them. Depending on the shape and size of your potatoes, you may need to cook them maybe about an hour and 15 minutes, depending on the potatoes and the sizes. Make sure to go and check them after 1 hour, okay? Since these are ready, we're going to go ahead and drain them and go to our next step. Here I'm showing you my deep dish pie crust. Make sure you set it out while you're preparing your potatoes so it will be thawed out and ready to be used. Okay, here as you can see, I have drained my potatoes and I'm removing them from the pot. And you can let these cool. Sometimes I let them cool, sometimes I just go ahead and just peel them. But it's all up to you. So here I'm showing you how I do mine. I'm going to peel these. Be very careful. Yes, be very careful, but because sometimes I will peel mine before they get completely cool. As you can see the steam still coming from these potatoes. But just do as you see me do. Just peel them the best as you can and try to get the strings out. Here I am peeling and making sure I take all those strings out, and I'm showing you. Sometimes you're gonna end up leaving some, but the beater sometimes takes them off. But this is the way I do mine. I shaves it off the top, off of the potatoes under the skin. That's where the strings are. That's where they are, and so that's what you do. You're gonna see a lighter shade of the orange. It's more of a orange yellow uh, color, and you peel that off, and those are the strings. So peel them off as much as you can without wasting your potatoes. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna continue to peel these potatoes, and I'm gonna just show y'all what I'm talking about. And so I'm not gonna be saying anything. Just peel if you don't want the strings, just peel the strings off as best as you can, okay? Some people say it don't bother them, so make this recipe yours. Another way I'm going to show you how I do it, you can cut them a little deeper, just a little bit deeper, and then you don't have to worry about the strings at all. And so that's the way I did these, just to show you you can do it a little bit quicker. See how deeper I'm doing them, and then you won't have to worry about the strings. Okay, I'm going to cut these up, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, our potatoes are all cut up, and what I'm doing now, I'm adding some butter, and I'm adding our sugar. I got like 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 a cup of brown sugar. So we're gonna mix this all together. I decided to go ahead and mash our potatoes before because of the butter being not room temperature. So to help you out with this, make sure your butter is at room temperature. Okay. Here I'm mixing our ingredients all together. That butter still isn't melted, but it is melting slowly. So now I'm wiping down our bowl because we don't want to leave none of this goodness out. Here we're adding in our eggs and we're mixing those in. Next, I'm adding in our evaporated milk and our spices. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. And also 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 teaspoon of lemon extract. This is optional. Y'all, I prefer only vanilla. Some of my viewers had told me that they use lemon, so I'm doing it this time. But I usually just use vanilla extract. Vanilla extract is my favorite in sweet potato pies, okay? But like I always say, make this recipe yours. I usually use my flat beaters, but these are the only attachment that I had at the time. So if you have the flat beaters, use the flat beaters, okay? Next, we are adding in our flour. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Letting y'all know I am using salted butter. If I was using unsalted butter, I would also add a pinch of salt. Here I'm making sure all my ingredients are mixed in well, and then I'm going to finish mixing this up, and then we're going to go to our next step. Here I'm using my spatula one last time, making sure I have everything all mixed in and the sides wiped down. And now we're going to go to our next step. Here I'm making sure everything is mixed in well. Now it's time to pour the pie filling into the crust. Make sure not to overfill your pie crust. Make sure you have some room for when it does expand just a little bit. So make sure you do not overfill it. If you do, remove some, okay? Next, we're going to place our pie in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour and 15 minutes because this is a deep dish pie. So we're going to, make sure you bake it for 1 hour and 15 minutes. And then we're going to be back with our final result. Okay, y'all, we are back, and this is our final result. Y'all, this pie was so delicious. But like I always say, I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm gonna say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. Stay tuned. More recipes are coming your way.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit!